I think what interests me in the company is really their values, their commitment to really have a social impact, to make a difference in people's lives, and their passion, the company's passion for the work. A company that really believes in social impact.
No, everything okay? Total being?
So I've been in the public sector in several different states for a little over 3 decades in corrections, and my interest was in looking at the private sector, thinking there are some opportunities for innovation, for creativity that isn't bogged down sometimes in the structure around government. I think that the opportunities for private companies is we have to be both efficient at what we do. There's an expectation that we can do things at a lower cost, but we also need to be effective. We need to look at our results, and I think we have performance measures built in that really measure our results, measure our impact of what we do. We need to make sure that we constantly pay attention to that. So we're not only cheaper, but we're more effective.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah, I started out, my first job was as a correctional counselor in segregation and death row, and it was a very challenging experience, challenging environment, and I think really solidified my commitment to look at prison reform, opportunities for us to have more of an effective correctional system.
All right, thank you, Mr. White. Good job, good job.
I think it requires someone who can be patient. It's not easy work. Someone who's resilient. Someone who has good interpersonal skills, can engage with many different types of people. Someone who has a real commitment to the work. It's not something I think you just jump into and not really have some serious passion to try to work with people who really want to have an opportunity to change their behavior. Clearly, Odie has done a great job over the past decade of growing the corrections business within MTC dramatically. My interest is in building on the work that he's done, to continue to focus on best practices, to continue to focus on evidence-based programs that really give people an opportunity to change, to focus on our staff, to provide them training and the tools they need to do their work. So it's, I think, taking a strong foundation and continuing it to grow it both domestically within the U.S. and internationally in other markets such as Australia and the UK.